Right, welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2.2 of algebra part 3. So we want to simplify this expression. So here we can use the concept of rationalizing the denominators. Okay, how do we rationalize denominators? When you've got a denominator like this, you have to create the difference of two squares. Do you remember difference of two squares? Remember x minus y times x plus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. Remember that, okay? And then here we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by this denominator, which is the square root of 8. Let's start with the first one. So it's going to be 2 over 1 plus square root of 2 times. We multiply the denominator by 1 minus square root of 2. You see that? We are creating what? The difference of two squares there. So we must multiply the numerator by the same thing, 1 minus square root of 2. Then minus 8 over square root of 8. And then here, this one is easy. You just multiply by the square root of 8 and also multiply the numerator by square root of 8 is equal to negative 2. Now let's apply our difference of two squares. So it means here is going to be, the numerator is going to be 2 times 1 minus square root of 2. And then the denominator is going to be 1 squared minus square root of 2 squared. You see that? We have applied the difference of two squares here. And then minus 8 times square root of 8, we just write 8 times square root of 8. Then square root of 8 times square root of 8 is 8, is equal to negative 2. And then let's simplify this denominator. It's going to be 2 minus 2 times 1 minus square root of 2. And then square root of 2 squared is 2. And then 1 squared is 1. So what is 1 minus 2? That's negative 1. Minus 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 is what? Is 1. So we remain with square root of what? Square root of 8, which is the square root of 2 cubed, is equal to negative 2. If you check, our denominators now are rationalized. Let's deal with this negative 1. So it becomes negative 2, and then 1 minus square root of 2 minus square root of 2 cubed is equal to negative 2. Let's distribute negative 2 here. It's negative 2 plus square root of those 2 square root of 2 minus, if you check this, it can be broken into 2 squared times 2, isn't it? And then we get 2 square root of 2 because square root of 2 squared is 2. And then we remain with 2 square root of 2. So we can have 2 square root of 2 here is equal to negative 2. And then 2 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 is 0. So negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So we have proved that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. See that? We have proved that.